Welcome to my Track Anything demonstration. So with the new Track Anything form, you are able to track any clinical parameter that you wish to track. You can track anything that is configured as a procedure. So go to procedure, configuration, and let's say you want to track pain with a numeric analog scale. You go to you click to add top level and name it let's say pain visual numerical analog scale, and in this track we want to assess pain. Save, and we want to assess a comment. So we set up a new item which is called comment and hit save. So now we have a procedure called pain NAS, which consists of the two items comment and pain. So now go to any patient. In my case this is Dr. Zoidberg, and go to an encounter test. He is an established patient. Save. So from the encounter you can now select track anything, and it will show you all the top level procedures, and here you have the pain NAS. You can select this. Yeah, and now start and type in your data. Maybe today at 2 p.m. the pain was somehow 5, and in the morning 10 a.m. the pain was, let's say, 8, and in the very morning 7 o'clock it was 10, and you can set a comment like slept not that well or something like this. Is that correct spelled? I don't know. Okay, so if you typed in all your data, let's add just a last one. At 6 p.m. the pain was, let's say, 4. So if you entered all your data, you hit stop, and in the encounter overview you will see your entered data. The interesting part is the plot part of this. The track anything form will recognize if there are any numeric data available in some column, and if there are at least 2 numeric values, then it shows you a checkbox. So you can check this and say plot this item, and so the open flash chart will pop up and plot your data. In addition, if you go to demographics of this patient, on the very right side, just below prescription, you see a new widget called tracks, and this shows you all the available tracks of this patient, Dr. Zoidberg. Here you see our pain NAS. I set up some demonstration tracks like this 24-hour urine. If I click this, then I get a so-called track history, and this shows me all the 24-hour urine data that has been entered for Dr. Zoidberg. And now you can say, well, I want to plot all of these encounter data, and it will pop up. You can even skip some items like this, and yeah, it will plot it accordingly. The big feature of this is that if you see this list and go somewhere down here and select a column, then you can say plot all the data of all encounters so far. Means that now if I click here, it will plot all the data that has been entered so far. So it takes this data and all of this data and all of this data and plots it in one plot. This is interesting if you have a lot of data. Just have a look if we have cool. This means blood glucose, so dump me. If we have a lot of data here, we can plot it like this, and you want to plot it upside down, then you can change the order of the track. So right now I have the first entered data here, and it ends with the last entered data here. And this gives you the ability to plot all the data according to a specific time. So these are all the old data compared to all the new data. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching.